At what time did you find out that you were like the connector for Atlanta and Milwaukee?
Um, when I left my freshman year and came back to Milwaukee my sophomore year and went to Tulsa East, the rap group that I was in we dropped a mixtape. And when I came back to Milwaukee and I was planning for all my people, they fell in love with it. And I'm probably on one song.
Mm.
So that let me know that they fuck with what I'm fucking with. You know what I'm saying? And since it's like that, it start opening my eyes up to like, damn, okay, what else do we motherfucker with?
Lil' baby, hop on this dick and ride like a Kawasaki. I be in mood almost every song.